With great news, I've got onto a train using a helicopter. Oh, we're about to see a fun part. That's a bridge. Not a bridge, a tunnel. Sorry, I'm a bit retarded. If it turns or anything, we're screwed. But yeah, I'm gonna have a bit of fun playing some hunting on the train. I need to get some medal for this. Use a assault rifle. There's a massive white glare. Oh look, panoramic view. There's a jet. Where'd the jet go? Oh look, the jet. Hello, Mr. Jet. I hope you're having a great time flying. I'm gonna get rid of this light glare and I'll be right back. I've closed the curtain to achieved optimum lighting. This tunnel appears to go on forever. So yeah. Oh, a sign. Ha ha. Oh, we're exiting the tunnel. Do. Hey, look, a sawmill. Well, that's good. You still dealing drugs? Hello. Notice me. Notice me. I'm a man stood shirtless on a train with an assault rifle, accompanied by his helicopter. How can you not notice me? And now my mum says she's going to question why I'm sitting in the dark. Oh, a bike. See if interesting happens. I've made the official decision. I'm going to blow the helicopter off this train. You don't have a ticket? Well, I guess you can't ride. Are you joking? It's still there. It's upside down. Let's go see the damage. Hopefully, I'm on a train that can't kill me. I feel immortal. The frick? Oh, there's fire. Would there be fire here? I got this. This is all done with one hand. Go away. Ugh! I swear, if there's just a cop car that comes pulls up. So any light glare, because it completely screws up. Well, Mum says, so I'm going to pause the recording. I fell off the train, reloaded the save, and then realised that the train had vanished. Coincidentally, there was another one. There's gas tanks over there. I'm hidden from the cops. They don't see me. Ha! You can't see me, Mr. Policeman. Where is he? There is a police down there. Just go away. I just want to ride this train. Okay. This is discrimination against shirtless men on trains. This is just discriminate. Okay, they're gone. Yeah, tow truck. And now we just wait and see where the train goes. I thought of a good way of entertainment. Let's see if we can blow up that gas tank. Hey! It doesn't work. Oh. We'll try an RPG. If you fail at first, try again! Next time you